How to fix the missing microphone button on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now the first thing that you want to do is to bring up the keyboard and check the keyboard. Previously, if your microphone button is at the top here, then it may have been moved down to the bottom after the software update. So it can be on the left hand side or it can be on the right hand side. So definitely check at the bottom here in navigation bar to see if you can find it. Okay, if it's still not there, then we go into settings. In settings, scroll down and then tap on general management, then tap on keyboard. Make sure it is turned on. If this option is switch off right here, then it will not show the microphone button. Here say show input method button in navigation bar. So you can see here if I switch it off, the microphone button is disappeared. So you want to switch it on and then it will show the microphone button. Here you can set it to the left hand side or to the right hand side. So sit on the right hand side or left hand side. Okay, another thing that you want to check is to make sure you have some kind of voice input. Here we've got Google Voice typing input. The other option is the Samsung voice input. If those options are switched off, then your microphone button will not become available for you to use. This is the Samsung voice input. If we turn off Google Voice input. Okay, so make sure they are turned on, switch on. Now go to the default keyboard and make sure it is set to Samsung keyboard. For Gboard, you can see if I use Google keyboard, the microphone button is actually at the top and you cannot find it at the bottom. Instead, if you tap on the keyboard icon, you have to manually choose your voice input. Another thing that you may want to check is you want to make sure your app has permission to the microphone. So if we go into settings, in settings, scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on the app that you are using. For example, let's say call here, or let's say notes. So if we go scroll down and we look for notes, so we type in note. Okay, Samsung Notes. Make sure you check the permission. You can see here microphone is not allowed. Make sure you allow access to microphone, because if the app don't have permission to microphone, sometimes the microphone will not be shown. Okay, so give that a try. If you are using Samsung keyboard, then we can try to clear Samsung cache, keyboard cache. So we go back into settings. So swipe down and tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on general management. Sorry, we're going to apps. So because we want to clear the cache, we scroll down and tap on apps. And then in here, we look for keyboard. Samsung keyboard, open it. Then we go into storage and tap on clear cache. So if the keyboard is buggy, it can cause the microphone not to show. So simply clear cache and allow the keyboard to restart fresh again. And then you should be able to see the microphone button there. And the last thing you could do is try to force restart your phone. To do so, you can press on the power plus the volume down buttons like this. Press on both keys at the same time. This will force the device to restart. Now press and hold it until the phone restart. I will not restart now, but if you press and continue to hold until your phone restart, that will clear the cache and memory on your phone and restart with a fresh memory. That will also help to fix the missing microphone button. Alright, so hopefully one of the solutions fix it for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.